Indonesia is home to vast bamboo forests stretching across valleys and mountains. For generations, bamboo has provided shelter, tools, and a deep connection to nature. Bamboo is admired not only for its beauty, but also for its remarkable strength. Though light and flexible, it can withstand heavy loads, making it perfect for building homes. Unlike hardwood trees that take decades to mature, bamboo can grow astonishingly fast, up to 1 meter in just a single day. Within 3 to 5 years, it becomes ready for harvest, making it one of the world's most renewable resources. Not all bamboo is harvested at once. Skilled villagers carefully select mature stems, usually between 3 to 5 years old, as these provide the best balance of strength and flexibility for construction. With sharp traditional tools, the villagers cut the selected bamboo near its base. Timing is important. Bamboo is often harvested during the dry season to reduce moisture and prevent cracking. Once cut, the bamboo is carefully gathered and transported to the village. In remote areas, villagers often carry bamboo on their shoulders or use small boats to move it across rivers. After reaching the village, bamboo stems are dried under the sun or smoked over gentle fire. This process reduces moisture, prevents cracking, and protects against insects. Before building, the site is cleared and leveled. Proper preparation ensures the bamboo structure will be stable, durable, and resistant to weather. Thick, mature bamboo stems are set upright to form the main support of the house. These columns bear the weight of the roof and walls, ensuring stability. Horizontal and diagonal bamboo beams are connected to the main columns, forming a sturdy framework. Traditional rope or wooden pegs are often used instead of nails, allowing flexibility and strength. Split bamboo pieces are woven or stacked to form walls. This technique provides ventilation, natural insulation, and a lightweight yet sturdy structure. The roof is crafted using thin bamboo strips and layers of palm leaves. This natural roofing keeps the house cool, sheds rain efficiently, and blends seamlessly with the environment. Artistic carvings and woven patterns are added to bamboo walls and beams. These decorations reflect local traditions and enhance the beauty of the home. Inside, the house is simple yet functional. Bamboo floors and walls create a natural atmosphere, while openings provide ventilation and soft sunlight. The house stands gracefully among the greenery, its natural bamboo structure blending seamlessly with the surrounding environment. It is a testament to sustainable living and traditional craftsmanship. Families carry out daily activities inside the bamboo house, from cooking simple meals to resting and socializing. The design ensures comfort and a connection with nature. Several bamboo houses form a small village, each blending harmoniously with nature. The community thrives on sustainable building practices passed down for generations. Children play and learn among the bamboo houses, while adults tend to gardens or small livestock. Life here is simple, sustainable, and deeply connected to nature. These bamboo homes stand as a testament to sustainable living, showing how communities can thrive in harmony with nature using renewable materials.